Hello children, welcome back. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and staying safe at your home. Let's start today's video. Class 3rd, subject Maths, Chapter 1, Measuring Time. Lecture number 1, Term 3. Children, as you all know that from today onwards we will do Term 3. We have summed up our Term 2 and now onwards we will do Term 3. And it's our first chapter of Term 3 and lecture is 1. In this video, our subtopics are let's rewind, time in hours, half hour or half past time, quarter hours. Okay, children, in this video we will cover all these topics. Let's rewind means revising your previous knowledge, time in hours, half hour or half past time, quarter hours. First of all, we will cover the topic let's rewind. In let's rewind, we will revise the topic which we have learned in the previous class. Okay children, so let's start. Children, as you all can see, it is a clock. A clock is used to tell time. There are some facts, there are some things that you have to know about a clock or time. And as we are doing here, let's rewind. So you have already faced all these facts. Means कि आप ये सारे फैक्ट्स या क्लॉक के बारे में और टाइम के बारे में ये सारी बातें पहले आप पढ़ चुके हैं. आप ये सारी बातें पहले कर चुके हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव अ ग्लांस. व्हाट आर दीज फैक्ट्स? अ क्लॉक has 12 numbers on its face. क्लॉक के फेस पर 12 नंबर्स होते हैं, 1 to 12. शॉर्ट हैंड is our hand, long hand, minute hand. As you all know children, a clock basically has two hands. Short hand is hour hand and the long hand is minute hand. After that, there are 60 minutes in an hour. एक hour में 60 minutes होती हैं. You all know about it. We have read in the previous class also. 1 hour में 60 minutes होती है. Means 60 मिनट्स जब कंप्लीट होंगी मीन्स 1 आवर कंप्लीट हो गया. द टाइम शोन इन द क्लॉक इज 2 o'clock or 2. As you all know children, the time can be tell in two ways or it can be written in two ways. First of all, 2 o'clock or 2:00. Okay. After that, the second topic is time in hour. What's in this topic? Let's see. It is a clock. Look at this clock carefully. It is a clock. Now let's see. The clock dial is divided into 12 equal parts. The clock is divided into 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, big divisions. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to another number. It means the clock is divided into 12 equal parts. क्लॉक 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. टोटल 1 to 12 12 नंबर्स क्लॉक पर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are called big divisions. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move one number to another number. hour hand को 1 नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पर मूव करने में टोटल 1 hour मीन्स 1 घंटा लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, to move from 7 to 8, the hour hand takes 1 hour. So, it takes 12 hours to complete one round of the clock. For example, if the hour hand moves from 7 to 8, अगर hour hand 7 to 8 पर मूव करता है तो उसमें टोटल 1 hour लगेगा. और अगर क्लॉक के सारे नंबर को क्रॉस करना है सो 12 hours कंप्लीट करने में आर हैंड को 1 राउंड लेना पड़ता है. मींस एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पर जाने में 1 घंटा लगता है. फिर यहाँ से फिर 1 hour, फिर 1 hour, फिर 1 hour, 1 hour, ऐसे सारे नंबर को क्रॉस करने में टोटल 12 hours लगते हैं. और 12 hours कंप्लीट पूरा होने पर 1 राउंड पूरा होता है. क्योंकि 12 नंबर्स हैं और 12 नंबर्स को कंप्लीट करने में पूरा 1 राउंड हो जाता है. इट मीन्स कि 1 राउंड पूरा होगा तो 12 hours कंप्लीट होंगे. 2 राउंड्स पूरे होंगे, इट मीन्स 24 hours. और 24 hours में 1 डे कंप्लीट हो जाता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, इज इट क्लियर? ओके, आई होप इट्स डन. आफ्टर दैट, full hour or o'clock time. Full hour और o'clock time are the same. क्या होता है full hour और o'clock time? Let's have some examples. Yes, it is a clock that is shown on your screen. In this clock, first of all, the very initial thing, let me tell you, जो घड़ी आपकी दीवार पर होती है दैट इज नोन एज क्लॉक. एंड जो आप अपने रिस्ट में पहनते हैं दैट इज रिस्ट वॉच, दैट इज वॉच. ओके, सो डू नॉट मिसमैच बोथ ऑफ दैम. क्लॉक, वॉल क्लॉक, वॉच, रिस्ट वॉच. ओके, कीप डिफरेंशिएशंस. इन दिस क्लॉक द टाइम इज 4 o'clock. Or 4 means, as you all know children, when the hour hand is on a number and the minute hand is at 12, it means the time is o'clock time or it's full hour. In this picture, in this clock, the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 12. It means the time is 4 o'clock. Hour hand 4 पर है and minute hand 12 पर है. It means the time is 4 o'clock. Okay children, and time को आप 2 टाइप से लिख सकते हैं, full hour time और o'clock time. o'clock time को 4 o'clock करके 4 o apostrophe clock. Or second type is 4:00. Both are correct. You can choose any of the way to writing the time. Is it clear, children? The full hour time or o'clock time are the same. In that case, minute hand must be on 12. And the difference between hour hand and the minute hand is hour hand is short, minute hand is big. There is differentiation between both the hands. You can check this example in your own clock also. आप ये अपनी क्लॉक में भी देख सकते हैं, अपने घर की क्लॉक में आवर हैंड साइज में स्मॉल होता है एंड मिनट हैंड साइज में बिग होता है. ओके, so it is the basic differentiation between both of the hands. It moves slightly fast, it moves slightly slow. After that, take one more example of full hour or o'clock time. Here is one more clock. In this clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. So the condition is fulfilled. I told you earlier that o'clock time के लिए जो minute hand है वो 12 पर होना चाहिए. And in this clock, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 9. So it's clear the time is 9 o'clock or 9:00. Okay, children. In two ways you can write the time: 9 or apostrophe clock, and keep distance between 9 and O. They must not touch to each other. Otherwise ये 9 नहीं 90 लगेगा. Okay, children. So there must be some difference between both of the number and letter. It's 9 o'clock and the second way is 9:00. Both are correct. You can opt any of one. It's up to you completely. Okay, children. Next is half hour or half past time. Children, have you ever noticed that sometimes the minute hand is at 6? When you speak the time, it's 6:30, or if I give you example in your daily routine language, जब आप उसको स्पेल करते हो कि 6:30 हो गई या 5:30 हो गई या 3:30 हो गए हैं. So it is the word of your daily routine language, but how can you spell this time in English? आप उसको इंग्लिश में कैसे स्पेल कर सकते हैं? So there is a specific term for spelling this time. Let's see what is that. And before looking the term, let's see how it looks. In half past, the hour hand indicates to 6. It is also called half hour or half past time. Half past means the minute hand has spent 30 minutes or the minute hand has been spent 30 minutes. That's why it is called half past or half hour time. Got it, children? After that, take some examples. I'll show you some clocks. With the help of clocks, you will get to know it better, that how to indicate half past time or half hour time. Let's take examples. Yes, there is a clock on your screen. In this clock, there are two hands. The short hand is in between 9 and 10. The short hand is called hour hand. And the minute hand, that is long hand, it indicates 6. It means the minute hand is at 6. And as I have told you, if minute hand indicates 6, it means the time is half hour or half past. That's why the time will be read as half past 9 or 9:30. You can write this time, this half hour or half past time in two ways. First one is half past 9 or second is 9:30. Half past 9, I have explained that how it is half past 9 said, and 9:30. Children, let me explain you here that in between two numbers there are small 5 divisions and each division stands for 1 minute. So when the minute hand indicates any number, in that case multiply that number by 5. Examples: if minute hand is at 1, multiply it by 5. At 2, multiply by 5. Here, this thing I will explain you broadly in the next video. Here, 6 multiply by 5. 6 5s are 30. That is why the time is 9:30. Okay, children? Now, take one more example. Yes. Here, the minute hand is at 6. The hour hand is in between 1 and 2. Okay, children? Minute hand 6 पर है और hour hand 1 and 2 के बीच में है. That's why the time is 1:30 or you can say half past 1. This time is read as half past 1 or 1:30. It's 1:30. Why it's 1:30? 1, you all know that 1 has been done and now the hour hand is in between 1 and 2. It means time 1 o'clock has been done and now minute hand at 6. That's why 6 multiply by 5. 6 5s are 30. The time is 1:30 or you can say half past 1. Okay, children? Now move towards to the next topic, that is quarter hours, in which we will discuss two topics, quarter past and quarter to. Two subtopics are here. In quarter hours, we will discuss quarter past and quarter to. Both are separate. So initially we will discuss quarter past. Later on, we will move to quarter to. When the minute hand is at 3, the time is read as quarter past. And which number is given there according to that? It means the minute hand has covered 15 minutes. In this one, when the minute hand is at 3, जब हमारी क्लॉक में मिनट हैंड 3 को इंडिकेट करता है, 3 पर होता है, जैसे अभी 6 पर था प्रीवियस स्लाइड में, ऐसे अगर अब हमारा मिनट हैंड 3 पर होगा, द टाइम इज रेड एज क्वार्टर पास्ट, तब हम उस टाइम को रीड करेंगे क्वार्टर पास्ट. इट मीन्स द मिनट हैंड हैज कवर्ड 15 मिनट्स. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि जो मिनट हैंड है उसने 15 मिनट्स कवर कर लिए हैं. There is a clock. In this one, the hour hand is at 12 and the minute hand is at 3. According to this line, minute hand is at 3. It means this time is quarter past 12 or 12:15. Okay, children? In two ways you can write this time. Quarter past 12 or you can say 12:15. Both are correct. You can opt anyone. Okay, children? Take one more example. In this clock, minute hand is in between 10 and 11, and the hour hand is in between 10 and 11, and the minute hand is at 3. According to this line, when the minute hand is at 3, the time is read as quarter past, or this is quarter past 10. This time is read as quarter past 10 or 10:15 means 10:15. So quarter past 10 or 10:15, both are correct. You can opt any one. Both are right. You can write in any way. Okay, children. After that, now let's do quarter 2. When the minute hand points at 9, the time is read as quarter 2 and whichever number. It means the minute hand has covered 45 minutes. The hour hand is close to the next hour. When the minute hand points at 9, जब minute hand 9 पर होता है, जैसे previous to previous में 6 पर, previous में 3 पर, अब जब 9 पर होगा, the time is read as quarter 2. The time is read as quarter 2. It means the minute hand has covered 45 minutes. Pay attention here. The minute hand has covered 45 minutes. The hour hand is closed to the next hour. और जो हमारा hour hand होता है वो next hour की तरफ उसके पास होता है, उसके close होता है. Okay, you will get it to know better after the examples. In this one, there is a clock. In this clock, the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is near to next hour, means near to 7. Okay, 6 or 7 में से 7 के near है ना, means near to next hour. Okay, this condition fulfilled and the minute hand is at 9. Okay, children. So this time is read as quarter to 7 or 6:45. This time is read as quarter to 7 or 6:45. 6:45, 9 multiplied by 5, 9 5s are 45. That is why 6:45. After that, take one more example. In this clock, the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is in between 1 and 12. That's why the time is quarter to 1 or it's 12:45. Okay, children, you can write anyone, quarter to 1 or 12:45. Okay, children, so it's quarter to 1 or 12:45. Both are correct. So children, here we have done the time, half past, full hour, quarter to and quarter past. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can ask me in the online classes. I will sort out your all doubts. Now let's take your homework, and your homework is do page number 3 complete in book. That is of term 3. Term 3 का आपको page number 3 complete fill करना है. That is let's rewind, which we have discussed in this video earlier. So you have to fill that page complete and you have to submit that on my email ID. Children, here I have done. Till the next video, bye bye. Take care of yourself.